Today, we come to More Tent, the source factory of glamping tents. Let's step into the showrooms together and get to know three of our most popular glamping tent models, which provide high-quality accommodation solutions for various campsites. First, we introduce this Hawaii tent featuring a double-layer roof design. Its unique structural design endows the tent with excellent thermal insulation performance, ensuring a comfortable living environment for guests in all seasons. Equipped with a private terrace and full-view glass curtain walls as standard, this combination is truly a customer magnet for campsites to attract bookings. Next up is the Shape Glamping Tent, a real head-turner with its distinctive appearance. Beyond its eye-catching look, it boasts a more spacious interior that allows guests to unleash their creativity for customized decorations, while also accommodating additional amenities. Finally, we present the glass dome house with a full glass curtain wall structure. Under the night sky, it shines like a dazzling star in the campsite, standing out brilliantly. Its large panoramic windows are sure to capture tourists' attention and spark their desire to experience it. The walls are composed of tempered glass, 40 mm thick polyurethane insulation boards and carbon crystal decorative panels, delivering outstanding thermal insulation performance. Whether it's scorching hot or snowy outside, the interior remains cozy and pleasant at all times. More Tent is dedicated to providing you with one-stop cultural tourism accommodation solutions, catering to the diverse needs of your campsite.